Together, Vanguard, Fidelity, and Schwab manage over $20 trillion in assets. All three offer zero-commission trading, but the differences in features, funds, and user experience matter more than you think. Vanguard pioneered index investing and offers the lowest-cost index funds available. Their ownership structure means no outside shareholders pushing for profits. The downside is a clunky website and slow innovation. Fidelity offers zero-fee index funds, excellent research tools, and the best mobile app of the three. They also allow fractional shares starting at $1 and offer a cash management account with 2.72% interest. Schwab combines investing with full banking services, including a checking account with no ATM fees worldwide. After acquiring TD Ameritrade, their platform is the most feature-rich for active traders. For most long-term investors, Fidelity edges out the competition with the best combination of low costs, features, and user experience. But honestly, all three are excellent. Just pick one and start investing. Feature-by-feature comparison matrix showing fees, fund options, account minimums, app ratings, and unique features for all three brokerages. Which brokerage do you use and why? Share your experience in the comments. Subscribe for more investing platform deep dives.